Viewers, welcome back to Amaka Glorious channel. Today is another special Nigeria SUYA. Watch to the end and see how I made this and enjoy with your family this lockdown. No minding, no party, no going out. You stay home and enjoy Nigeria SUYA. Watch to the end. SUYA spice. This one is the remaining one I've got from Nigeria, and this one is homemade. I use roasted groundnut, dry ginger, garlic, onions, flares, and pepper to do it. I will list out all the ingredients I use to mix it. Slice my tozo meat. Today I'm using tozo meat. I just want to get that taste of Nigeria SUYA, so I'm using tozo meat to do this. So it's already washed, so I'll marinate it and leave it for 1 hour 2 hours, then before I will put it in the oven. So this is special for this summer. We need summer, not minding that we're locked down, we can't meet, we can't party together, but we can do this at home for our family to enjoy. You have to soak it for maybe 30 minutes. Then you make sure you are tozo meat. You can use any meat, but I prefer tozo meat. Make sure your meat is tiny. Then use a SUYA stick and just put it inside and marinate it. You can see, you make sure you dip it inside very well. Your homemade Nigeria SUYA. I want to get that taste of Nigeria SUYA. So soak it inside very well and put them one after the other. Pour in a little oil. You can use groundnut oil or olive oil, any oil of your choice. Just dip it in and use it to massage the meat. I'm just dipping it in the oil. Dip it in and massage it. Make sure you massage it. All is well mixed and marinated with olive oil. Then I will just wrap it and leave it for an hour. You can leave it for an hour or 2 hours. If you are doing like much, maybe the hard ones, you can wrap it up for almost 4 hours. But this is the thin one. I make sure I slice it so small, so after 1 hour it will be ready to go in the grill. The oven is preheated. After 1 hour I'm putting it now. Hi guys, you can see our Nigeria SUYA is ready. Oh, can't wait to test it. Try this at home. It's so nice. Just look like that Ikoyi SUYA that I had the last time. Guys, try this at home. It's so nice. Just feel free, try it. Ask any question. I will list all the ingredients I used to make the homemade spice, and you try it and enjoy the summer with your family. Please make sure you press the subscribe button and press the bell to get notification anytime I upload videos. For my viewers, people that have subscribed before, thumbs up. God bless you. Thank you. From Amaka Glorious. God bless you. Enjoy the summer.